as the war has entered the third week today, the losses are mounting and the theatre of conflict is widening. The cost of the war is spiraling out of control. Over 2,000 people have been killed across at least 10 countries in the last 2 weeks. And yet, neither side is backing down. In the latest and in the last few hours as well, Iran has targeted Tel Aviv, southern Israel, and the US military position across the Middle East. Iran's new supreme leader, Mujtaba Khamenei, in the first public message since taking charge as the new supreme leader, has vowed revenge. But the messaging from the US is quite interesting. First, US President Donald Trump told the G7 leaders that Iran may be close to surrendering. Then he announced that US is going to be hitting them very hard in the next week. Now, both the president and the defense secretary, Pete Hegseth, are claiming that Mujtaba Khamenei, the new supreme leader of Iran, is wounded and likely disfigured. Listen in to what they said.
ایران مشکلش اینه که عقلش نمیرسه ملت ایران ملت رشیده ملت قویه ملت با اراده هرچی اون فشار بیاره اراده ملت قوی‌تر میشه این حمله هایی که میکنه از ترسه از استیصاله کسی که قوی باشه وسط تظاهرات که بمباران نمیکنه معلومه کم آورده.
We know the new so-called not-so-supreme leader is wounded and likely disfigured. Why a written statement? I think you know why. His father, dead. He's scared, he's injured, he's on the run, and he lacks legitimacy. It's a mess for them. Who's in charge? Iran may not even know.
So, Shinjoy, even though Iran's supreme leader has issued the first statement, and that's a written statement, but his absence is raising questions about his health, with the US is now saying that he's likely disfigured, his health is not okay. What is the latest and what is Iran saying as far as the health of their new supreme leader is concerned?
Well, Iran says he's fine, but the important thing is that there is probably some hint and tech hint that the Israelis and the Americans are getting about the new supreme leader, the new Ayatollah. So as a result, they have to be even more careful, the Iranians, about the whereabouts of the supreme leader. They've seen what happened to Ali Khamenei, the earlier Ayatollah. So his son has to be very careful because clearly there is humant on the ground in Tehran. And it appears, apart from tech hint, of course, it appears that there is someone close to the Israeli or American establishment in Tehran who is informing the Americans or the Israelis about the Ayatollah's whereabouts. So if that is so, then the Iranians have to be very careful about who knows what, because otherwise there could be another strike. That is the concern. So naturally, if the new supreme leader is out in public, then it becomes a problem. Then roughly everyone knows where he will be, when he will be. It's time and place. And if real-time information is going to Israel and America, then there are clear concerns in Tehran about their leader, which is why they're being as careful and keeping him underground to the extent possible.
All right, so that's the latest as far as the new supreme leader of Iran is concerned. US is saying that his health is not okay. He's likely disfigured as well. Thanks so much, Shinjoy, for getting us all those details.